What is up, guys? It is Flint here, and I'm gonna be doing some white noise. I haven't played it in a while, but you know, oh my gosh, help me! Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Pretty scared. I don't know what map to do. No, everyone's a girl, so let's do this. Who are these people? Who the? That guy's cool. That guy's cool. That guy's cool. Yeah, I'm very kinda very crazy this time, so let's go with this guy. I don't care. But he has flashlight one, that's all. This is not good. Right, it's loading, guys. It's loading.
What's it?
Oh, man. Oh, wait. Stop. Let's do this. It's basically like Slenderman. Where is he? Here. The tape. Starts now. Oh, wait. Guys, I'm scared. This is for midgets or something. It's so small. Perfect size for me. Damn water fountain. What are you doing here? You should have left already. I guess, where is it? Where does the water go through? I guess those little things right there. I guess. God, I see something. Water fountain again. These damn water fountains. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ooh, where are you? That damn goofy. UFO. Oh, I hear him. He's coming, guys. He's coming. Oh, looks like something. I see you. This is what they lost people. Yeah. They're looking at the UFO when they're over here. Let's grab it. Now let's keep moving, keep moving. Where are you, sir? The cameras, why are they still here? I'm looking for me. Well, Where are you? You got a shadow still here. It's like, what the? Look at the camera, it's staring at me for no reason. I'm just right here. Want to find some, not paper, but some recording devices. Where is it? I don't like this place. I see it. Oh my gosh! He left. It was a damn heart attack. Where are you? Three out of 8, guys. We got this. We do 5 more. I feel like we're never gonna get there. I'm too scared. What are you doing? I hear you. Get away from me. They keep whispering to me. It's just not cool. It's like they try to scare me. I'm gonna go towards the voice. Oh my gosh, it's gonna flip on me. Who's scared to do this? Let's keep going though. Yeah, I've already been here. But oh yes, what the heck is that? What the hell? Who the hell are you? Who the hell? Who are you? Who is he? He's here to help me, I guess. Yeah, I didn't even invite nobody. Hey, you better find the tape recorder for me. I like this, it's very comfortable. Oh yes, I smell it. Oh, we got big noise. What the? I didn't know I could walk through chairs. This hacker dog. What are you doing? I guess he. Oh! What the heck happened to him? He went somewhere. Oh! Oh my gosh. I'm done with this, guys. Oh, he left. I'm scared now. I'm gonna suicide this man. I'm too damn scared. Let's run the hall. Dude, I don't feel safe in here. No, I'm not going in there. Actually, I am going in there. What are you? This is an indie game called White Noise. It's pretty scary. I see it. Oh, where is he? Where are you? I'm done with this. You little punk. Where you going, huh? Where you going? Huh? You scared? You running from me now? You running from me? Where are you? Wow, let's go. He's somewhere around here. He's somewhere around here. He's somewhere around here. He's somewhere around here. I don't feel safe, guys. I don't feel safe. Where is he? Guys, where is he? I'm coming. I'm coming home. Dude, he's not coming after me, dude. It's just like the music trying to scare me. Okay? They're trying to scare me, but it's not scaring me. Oh, I'm done with this. Come over here. Come over here. Ooh, I thought you were awesome. Oh. Ooh. One scream. Oh, the replay. Oh, giant. Well, what is it gonna draw? What is it gonna draw? This is all funny. This is all funny. That's my funny. That's my funny. Dang it. I was too smart to go everywhere. I got nervous, scared, then started running. Then run out there. I'm drawing something. It looks like I'm trying to draw. Oh, it looks like a face. The top, the eyes, and then the beak at the top, on the nose, the mouth at the bottom. That was too scary, guys. I almost needed to tell a friend to come. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and all that stuff. So, hi, thanks for watching. Thank you. Oh, and yes, is white noise on the indie game. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Okay, you guys leave first. Woo! Okay, they left. Alright, this is good. I'm just kidding. Goodbye.